Today we are bringing elegance to your kitchen with Bucatini pumpkin puree and dash of pink pepper. A dash of pink pepper and touch of caviar to create something unforgettable. Let's get started. Pumpkin sauce, Bucatini pasta in, olive oil, black pepper, pink pepper, salt, mix in. Bucatini pasta with pumpkin on the plate. Peppercorn. Now we do the oche trick of it. Now we explain the dish. We have the Bucatini pasta cooked with pumpkin and then oche caviar and then pink peppercorn. That's it, Bucatini pasta with pumpkin puree and pink pepper and finish it with caviar. Done.